So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host ChaoTheChef, and today I'm trying to do one of my outdoors video. So today I'm in Mwea irrigation scheme. You know, Mwea irrigation scheme is one of the biggest irrigation scheme in Kenya. So right now they are harvesting rice. So I'll be trying to find a video on how to harvest rice. So guys, after harvesting the rice, they dry up the rice stalks and they roll them into bales of hay, which are used in the dairy farm. Can you see for yourself, guys? We have grey soil around here. Guys, you can see what we are talking about. Black grey soil, which is very sticky. Very sticky when it's wet. As you can see, some of the fields are already harvested and they are collecting the rice stalks from the field. Guys, you can see the bales of hay which has been rolled already. A lot of them. Guys, right now I want to show you how the rice is being harvested right in the field. So kindly stay tuned. So this is how the rice looks when grown, as you can see in my video. So guys, this right here is an ungrown rice plant, as you can see. They somehow resemble the wheat. So guys, you have seen how the rice is being harvested. That's how they do it with the tractor. But there is also a manual way of doing it, where they cut the rice and use the sickle. There is a scarecrow to scare away the birds which invest the rice fields. They reduce the rice production. So in most cases, the rice pond are filled with water, as you can see. One pond which is has already been harvested has a lot of water, but harvesting they let the water out of the rice pond so that they can allow the like things like tractor to pass through. As you can see, this one where the rice has been harvested is somehow dry. So this is the water they use for irrigation. They are directed to the rice paddies. So guys, as you can see, once the rice is cut off, it will grow itself all over again. So this a field which was earlier harvested, and you can see the rice is popping up again. So one of the things that make this place a perfect place for irrigation is because it is literally flat, as you can see in the video, very flat. So guys, I'm sure you have seen how the rice is being harvested, and right here the sun is very hot. I'm sitting around the rice plants. I'm sure you have learned one or two things. If you are a rice consumer, you have seen where it comes from, and I'll be doing another video of how it is planted, because it is not planted as usual as the other things, the other plants. So stay tuned. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.